Good evening, everybody. My name is Jesse Colson and welcome to our channel. A couple new things we're going to experiment with tonight. Bought some plastics molds, some Plastisol. Got interested in it watching Joe over on Prospector. He makes a lot of plastics, different things, so it really got me interested in it. So thanks, Joe. Appreciate it. It's a lot of fun. I've been having a great time. Finally got a couple of the other molds that I ordered tonight. So that's what we're going to do tonight. We're going to make some plastic. Got some plastic heating up. I got the molds all lubricated. Trenton's finishing.
Where's the other mold of that one?
Putting the last one together over here.
Please stop.
Bailey and Trenton are both hanging out with me, but we're going to make up some colors and kind of have a little bit of fun. And then start shooting. So bring you guys along with us. I am definitely by no means a professional. I barely know what I'm doing making these things. I'm having fun with it, so bear with me if I do something wrong. Hopefully you guys enjoy hanging out with us and watching. I managed to lose my tripod, so forgive my horrible camera filming here. We're getting plastic warmed up. It's just about there. Plastic's pretty much where it needs to be. Start dumping some color in it.
Let's do a plum. We've never done a plum.
You want to do plum or do you want to do watermelon?
Plum. Or we can try watermelon.
Let's do watermelon first.
Okay.
I was going to do some watermelon because I haven't done watermelon yet either.
Yeah. Maybe we can do some watermelon plum. Geez, it only takes that much just to give it that a light color.
It's pretty concentrated stuff, I think.
Like it.
Probably don't take a whole lot. Drizzle some in there and see what it does.
That does it.
So we're doing the watermelon green. That's what we're starting with. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Go a little greener, or should we try these?
Try these. These look really good.
One like that.
Yeah.
So we've got blue, gold, red,
and blue.
and silver. Well, so the blue, this blue changes the color a little, which will probably be okay in here. Because those ones that I did were supposed to be chartreuse.
And are now.
Definitely weren't chartreuse because they ended up really green.
Add in your glitter.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Super duper cool.
We have our little shooting station.
Super cool.
And the bottom one, of
All right,
course.
you want blue or silver?
Silver.
And blue.
I like silver. Silver's a cool color.
Can we do blue too, Tata?
I think we'll wait on the blue. I think we'll do blue when we do the next, when we do plum. How's that sound?
Okay.
Good.
That way it doesn't make it all wonky green.
Yeah.
All wonky.
I don't know. It might not be in its green, but
It's
Full on green. Because that was like a yellowish color and it ended up being like light green.
wow.
should go a little more silver in there.
Nah. That looks pretty.
Bailey says, yeah, we'll add a little more silver.
Which side is the side you push with?
I don't think it matters.
Okay. Can I push one?
We'll see. Okay, so we got our color. Pretty cool. Sorry, the lighting's probably not the best in here. Watermelon green with silver and red flakes. So we're gonna put this back in the microwave, heat it up for a little bit. It's almost at temperature. We could shoot it right now, but warm it up just a touch.
Hold on.
It's fine. It's fine. So I'm gonna warm it up. This is our second-hand store microwave. Works out awesome. So, first off, we're gonna start out with these little grubs.
There's a few grubs.
We're gonna shoot a few of these. I'll probably just do them one at a time. So I've got 2 small grubs, 2 larger grubs, and then 2 worms.
Come on.
So we're gonna start out with this one. I've never done any of these. This is the very first time that I've even shot one of these molds. So I'm gonna hand the camera back to Trenton and we're gonna try. Hopefully I don't fail.
Looks like it's gonna work. Those shot easy. Is it supposed to run through that like that? No.
Yeah, that's your air channel, I guess.
So we're supposed to come out of that?
Okay, well, apparently it doesn't take near as much plastic as I thought.
Okay.
Way too much plastic in that one. I'll do a quarter of the plastic in this one.
Can I push? That's probably good.
Let's try that.
Can I push it?
Let me do this one too.
Okay. I can.
Should have gloves on doing this. Not being a very good role model.
Doesn't even take that much. Jeez.
So I actually think we're supposed to stand these up.
Probably the other way though.
I don't know that it matters particularly, but
Can I do this one?
put it in there. Here, let me take the camera from you. You gotta stand it up. Watch your finger in case it squirts out the top. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Stop. Just barely enough. Almost didn't have enough for that one.
Okay, but
So push on top of my hand.
I don't know how well you can see. It's pretty good.
Okay, now I gotta set it up. Okay, stop.
You're overflowing that, Tata.
It'll overflow a little. Alright. It's a reveal of the very first one we poured.
And he drops
And I
it.
drop it.
Wow. That's
Pretty cool. That was pretty neat. Try to get that in focus. Nice, good glitter. Bright color. Hopefully work out pretty cool. That's a pretty neat color. I actually like that color. Here, Bailey.
This one
What do you think?
stayed in.
Pretty neat, huh? Alright, Trenton's pulling the second one. So just pinch the sprue right at the top. Yep.
Whoa, that felt weird. Those look really cool. Then there's like a slight air bubble there, right there.
Yeah, there's
That's alright.
pretty neat, huh?
So hard. So.
Pretty cool. A lot of fun. Alright, we're just going to drop our finished ones right there. And we're going to pull the next ones. Alright, reveal on the second ones. These are the larger grub. That thing turned out cool.
Mm-hmm. Super cool.
You got Bailey holding the camera. Trenton had to run in the house. So, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Got a little air bubble in there.
I want to touch it,
But-
Dada.
Pop the sprue off the tail too, I guess, huh? Pretty neat. That thing's cool.
Dada, can I hold the camera
Big old grub.
on the next one? I want to hold
Just
the
keep
camera.
holding it,
It's
okay?
okay. It's okay, Chin
All right,
Chin.
Trenton, go ahead and pull yours out.
And I'll record
watch you.
yours.
Getting yours out. Where'd the other half of my-
Oops.
It's okay,
Right
Bailey.
It's
It
okay.
turns off. It's fine. It's normal.
I just got to touch it to turn it back on.
It's just the screen goes to sleep is all.
I think I got that one a little tight. Why is this one not coming off?
Because you got to twist them. I want to hold it recording yours too.
Oh. Better find that. Oh.
Yeah.
Good thing I recorded. Just good thing I'm recording. I will record while you guys are doing this, okay? Good idea?
Okay. Make sure you're actually recording
I am.
Keep it aimed up a
Bubba's
little.
hands.
Oops. I did it. Just tap the screen to turn it on.
And all the screws fell out.
Clean up this mess. My way overflow.
Okay, that was really satisfying.
That is cool. No, you got to take that bird off. It's still aimed.
All right.
That is cool. Can I touch it,
That one.
Dada?
Yeah. Pretty
Ooh.
neat. That's a big old worm.
But it's not ready.
You bet you
Pretty
could
cool.
break it into a few pieces.
It's
too.
wet.
Yeah, you could probably use a couple sections of it. It's pretty neat though. All right. If you guys have never checked out Joe's channel, it's Prospector. I'll try to link it in the description. He does a lot of cool videos. He's got a lot of really neat stuff he does. Really enjoy watching his channel. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely get over there and check it out. We got our first round done, heating the plastic back up, trying to get it ready. Trenton's got one more he's gonna pull out, the last worm. So got all those ones right there done. I'm gonna set up my other molds here. I've got a Jacob's mold. This one's a little ice bug or something. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but pretty cool little thing. And we've got these ones. They're little wiggler things. I ordered this one off of eBay.
Oh, it's right there.
No, it's fine. Hey.
It came all the way from Ukraine. It's like a little soap stone thing. Really neat. Actually really cool. Trent and I shot a couple of these the other night. It's like a mix between a alien and a crawdad. I don't even know.
Alien dad.
Yeah, they're pretty neat though. Found this on eBay. I was looking for just random ones and found it, and works out. It's awesome. Pretty cool mold. So we're gonna shoot some more, see what we can come up with. Try to get ready for ice fishing season. This will save me on having to go buy lures and or
Every time
jigs.
we lose jigs.
Yeah, Trenton's pretty hard on jigs, so
I'm not hard on them. It's the
on
big
plastics.
It's the big old ling that come up and eat them.
Yeah, Trenton's pretty hard on the plastics.
Because I
So
catch the bigger fish.
he thinks he catches the bigger fish.
I do.
I want to hold it.
Hold on, babe. So anyway, that was our whole philosophy behind getting started on it.
That sucks all the plastic right up. Gobble gobble.
Well, it's a little cold in here, huh?
Funny story, actually. The first time we shot this, mold stuff oozed out of the sides.
Yeah, we had an explosion out the side of it, didn't we?
Yep. Good. You wanna fill these?
Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah, that one's a spider.
Okay, if you're gonna record, you have to shine it where I'm pulling, okay?
That is cool.
It is pretty
It's
neat,
shining because it's a bug. Right, Dada?
Yeah.
A bug. Can I touch it?
That one's cool looking. Hold on. Let me pop the sprue.
Oh, we can touch
And the
it.
little
Right, Dada?
runners.
The little runners. Cute.
Okay,
Cute little thing.
make sure you're showing it on the camera.
I am.
Okay. Quit dancing around.
Cute thing, isn't it?
It's pretty neat. That's that one that came from Ukraine.
Yep.
Pretty awesome little deal.
Pretty
I
cute.
really like that little
Yep, pretty
bug.
Come on, baby. Record.
All right. This is what we got out of that first little attempt. I think we did pretty good, actually. Got some little grubs, big grubs, worms, and some creature thing. I don't even know what that's called, but it's cool. Bailey says bug.
We called it a cryalien?
Yeah, we called it a cry alien. And then we got all these little ones. So, the big ones and the little ones. Some really cool color in there. Got about 4 drops in there with what was in there. It's probably about a total of 6 drops or so. A second, Bailey. Heat that back up just a touch. It's kind of cold in the shop, so it doesn't take much to cool everything off.
Color
That's a-
there. That looks really cool.
A lot of glitter in there.
Yeah, super duper cool.
We'll see what this one looks like. It might be pretty cool.
Hope so.
Kind of a neat color.
Not to heat it back up before
Yeah.
we shoot it, though.
Yeah, I gotta heat it back up.
Okay, here's our first pour with this one.
Dada, can I help you with the next one?
It already looks really cool. I see the plum color in there, though.
Yeah, it's more red than I like, though.
Yeah, it's more red.
Maybe not add so much color.
Half of it's pink and
Yeah.
half of it's red.
It
That's
turned
good.
redder after we did the blue.
Yeah, not that bad.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
All right. Here's one of the worms.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that thing's awesome.
Yep.
Pretty fun. Quite enjoying
And then
this.
you gotta do that one.
Yeah. Spilled that one off the top.
Can I do one of yours, Bubba?
Start pushing,
Can I do that one with you?
pushing, pushing.
I want to do this one with you. Can I do the next one, actually?
All right. Here's our plum with red, blue, gold, and silver glitter. Plum, it's like a red color, but I thought plum would be a little bit more purpley, but anyway, it's cool. I like it. It turned out really nice. Kind of hard to get it to focus really good, but it's cool. But that's what we got. We're gonna bag them up. Well, there's our little bait bags. Got with the kit that I got. So there's our reds, or plum, sorry. There's our watermelon green. Definitely turned out cool. I shot these ones. They're hanging, yeah. These one red ones I did a while back. They're still hanging there, but yep. We'll get those pulled off tomorrow or something and get them bagged up, but it's been fun. Yep. Hanging out with little man and Bailey. Making a mess. Well, we had fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching us mess around and try to learn how to use these awesome plastic molds from Netcraft. Pretty cool. Jan's Netcraft, I think, is, yeah, Jan's Netcraft is where they came from. So pretty awesome molds. Definitely be looking into some more of them, I'm sure, at some point. But it was fun. Had a good time. Joe, thanks for turning me on to it, I guess. Definitely gonna be a fun hobby. I think I'm really gonna enjoy it. So anyway, like I said, if you haven't checked out Joe's channel, Prospector, go check it out. It's an awesome channel. And I think we're gonna call it the end of this video. I'd like to say thanks to everybody for coming along with us. If you enjoy what we do, please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.